Begin by splitting the end of your wire by about 1 inch using a pair of wire clippers. Locating the rib side, which is your neutral side, cut that about ½ an inch shorter than the non-rib side, which is your positive side. Now pull the vinyl casing to cover any exposed copper. Locating your rib side, making sure it's to the right, push the wire into the back of your plug. Now lay the wire down, making sure the teeth in the plug are biting through the vinyl casing. Now, just slide your protective covering onto the back. You can use the handle of your pliers to make sure that fit is nice and snug.